the first time, and the name of the song is called Kyrtong, and we have blended it together with Jingpynbna and Daki. And the second song is called Sakhi, Jong. We really hope you'll enjoy the performance. Thank you.
the working president NPP sa Hamlet Krang ba isa Nonglait inyo manuan bansoy ya kritik jong ha kini practice la kebetulan kam man indong ikot ipapura jong ke NPP family. Sakhi. At this moment, I request the National President, of course, the State President, and Sir Snyaupa as well, to kindly felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. The first to felicitate is the National President, National People's Party, Sir Kyrtong, who is also the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Prastun Tinsong. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Vice President, NPP, Sir Snyaupa, to felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. The next person to felicitate will be the President of National People's Youth Front, Sir Nongkyrshan. He is also the Minister. We also have, before we do that, we have Sir Hamlet to pin a badge of honor to Sir Nonglait. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Next, we will have Sir Nongkyrshan, who is the President for National People's Youth Front, to felicitate. We have the National Working President,